Yeah. Whoa, whoa. Alright. Yeah, I'm just chillin' with a couple bad ones and they running
the belly of the beast.
Don't know how I get home, but I figured it out. She said, okay, got the Uber on the way. Is you coming or not? Steady moving like a check when it bounce. I brought my brothers to the hills and now I can't get them out. They asking where we go from here. I told them up in the clouds. They say the good die young, but I think we gon' figure it out. Lost a couple on the way, but I think it's for better. Yeah, you know, with my buddies, it don't matter the wedding. If she gone, and I ain't going with her. Yeah, I'm not following these hoes, man, I learned for the better. You know, you can't take along, we ain't got room in the sprint. I got some stones around my neck to keep it colder than winter. I guess it take.
Anywhere you go, you belong. Anywhere you say, anywhere.
Alright, I'm gonna take a couple right here. Yeah, 1, 2. Alright. I think we are in the ballpark. 1, 2, 3. Let me bring this light just a little bit closer to you. Boom. Okay. 1, 2, 3. Fire. Boom. Alright, let me let you see.
Oh, I love it. That's dope.
So this gonna be it. Alright. So 1, 2. Perfect. I was saying, it's Mia or is it Maya? Okay, because somebody said Maya. I'm like, okay. Okay. Do that one more time. Do that one more time. Okay. So we got the ND filter, okay? And I'm using the new ND filter and it's magnetic, 3 to 7 stops, absolutely amazing. So let's see what she thinks about this.
No, that's crazy.
I knew it. That's why I stopped and showed her. I knew it. That's why I said do that again. That's it right there. That's it right there.
We can go home.
Perfect. Hold that right there. I'm gonna get close up. 1, 2.
Actually, I feel like my body language is off.
You feel like? I feel like.
Okay, it's photographing well, so that's all that matters.
Yeah.
That's fire.
Yeah. We got the ND filter, and we are at about 5.5 stops right here with the variable ND, and I am not using high-speed sync. So this is the importance of using this ND filter. And we have the 300 watt, and I have it at 132nd power. So we are getting some fire. What you think? And now we got like a nice rim light coming from the sun through the trees, so this is actually fire. So it's like giving her hair a halo, so it looks beautiful. 1, 2, 3. Yep. 1, 2. Boom. Boom. Now, my question is, would you go?
You see how I'm like,
Nothing beats a Jet 2 holiday.
you have to like clip that.
Yeah, I gotta.
I'm like itching.
Okay. Okay. All right. That's fair. That's fair.
What do you want with nature?
Yeah.
What do you
Well, I was just gonna say if you get on your knees, just only because when you like this, the dress is just kind of scrounged up, so you don't really get like a figure really.
Okay.
You know. So just kind of something like that. Yeah. Yeah. One.
How do I?
Nah, like that is perfectly fine. 1, 2. Boom. So I'm pretty much bringing to get the last shot right here because I wanted to add some texture right here. So she's gonna kind of have it at her side, and we still got a nice, it's like a safari type background, you know, and actually the colors work well because she has the pink with the green. Okay, so got some complementary colors. Go to your this way a little bit. Yeah, that's good right there. Boom. And then you can turn, angle yourself right there. Yep. Perfect. 1, 2, 3. Perfect. 1, 2. Perfect. And I'm gonna get a couple close-ups and then we good. One, two, boom. What if we go right here and just kind of like hold your dress right here, just kind of at the bottom, and just kind of like, yeah. 1, 2. Perfect. And these are the last ones. 1, 2. Okay. We got her. Now we're gonna get her out to nature. Okay. Don't run too fast though.
That's crazy that you feel like the model can do.
Oh,
what is
all right. They said you got the legs.
Okay.
So do you know how to do it?
Do what?
The hype me up dance. Hype me up.
Oh.
Hype her up. Oh, hype her up.
Start like-
Hey, hype her up. You
Right? Is that how he does it?
No.
do it, I don't
You
know.
supposed to be like,
Oh.
yeah.
Someone needs to put.
Yeah.
Oh, you just wanted. He wanted to show off. You know how to do it. That's
No, it was the proper thing. Then hold on, you gotta give me the other one. The other
I don't know
one.
how he does it.
Well, you did this one good, so
Okay, what's the other part?
the next one is like this.
Okay.
Let's see what she got. You gotta do it to the camera right here.
Okay.
To the camera right here. Boom, 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 boom.
Chris is gonna screenshot this and go. You leave Houston and this is